Hey guys, Justin the Toolbox Junkie here. In honor of Top Drawer Tuesday, I feel it's only proper for me to bring out this bad boy and talk about the Snap-on KRL 1033. This is, to my knowledge, the leader in the industry for the widest top drawer. Now, I could be wrong. There is some discrepancy. Matco, from the research that I found, says that they have an 86.6-inch top drawer. I don't think that's accurate. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I personally haven't had a chance to measure one in person, but going by what I've seen on their website, I don't feel that's a correct assessment. The 1033 is based off of Snap-on's 1023 platform. Usually the two top drawers will stop at this bank here and split. On this particular model, they run the whole length of the toolbox. I'll give you some measurements as I get in closer, but I just want to show you, what this thing looks like from a front view. It allows you to have open floor plan, which is beautiful. It'll accommodate, the Mayhew Dominator pry bars, or the 58-inch pry bars, and these are doubled up 227-pound drawer slides. So that's going to give you, a 460-pound top drawer. A lot of people are weary of loading this top drawer up with that much weight, but I can tell you from experience, don't be. I've seen these things packed with probably pushing more than that. Obviously you wouldn't want all the drawers to come out at one time, but this drawer will support the weight, and I'm going to show you how that's possible. So here I wanted to be able to show you, this is underneath the top drawer. I wanted to be able to show you how Snap-on is able to have such a long drawer with the rigidity to be able to hold, almost 500 pounds of weight. And that's due to these heavy duty stiffeners that they put underneath the drawers. They have 6 of them going all the way down the drawer. A typical Master Series toolbox is going to have 4 stiffeners on the top drawer. So, adding 6 definitely gives it that extra structure that it needs. So you don't have to worry about your drawer sagging or losing the integrity. And these stiffeners are spread every 5 inches along the bottom of the drawer. Pretty impressive. I know a couple people that would fit in this top drawer. So I want to take some measurements for you guys and actually show you the usable space of this drawer. So this toolbox is 72 inches from side to side. And the actual drawer itself of usable space is 67 3/4. So that's pretty good on a 60 or on a 72-inch toolbox. You're only using a couple inches, and that's for the structure. So there's very minimal wasted space on this toolbox. And then 29 3/4 from front to back, and we'll see what the actual depth of usable space in this drawer is. And you're looking at 27 inches. So 27 inches out of 29 3/4. Again, that's very minimal wasted space, and that's just due to the locking mechanism in the back of the drawer, and then this front lip, because that's where they measure it to. Wouldn't be a Top Drawer Tuesday unless I showed you my top drawer. So here you go. Please don't laugh. It's a work in progress, but it gets the job done. You're looking at an inside width of 54 inches on the 84-inch Epic versus 67 3/4 on the Master Series. So that's a substantial difference, and a lot more usable square inch surface area. So for now, the KRL 1033 is going to reign the champ for the longest top drawer. That's going to wrap it up for today's Top Drawer Tuesday in the KRL 1033 from Snap-on. Definitely one of my favorite toolboxes, and you can totally understand why. Thanks for joining. I'll see you guys next time.